Dollies, welcome back to my channel. It's Louis baby. Cash out me that money for that Louis baby. E-wallet me that money for that Louis baby. Welcome to my kitchen, guys, and today we're going to be making some spicy chicken wings. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. I hope you guys learn a thing or two, and I hope it's beginner friendly. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys learned from the video and how you guys make your wings. Okay guys, so as you can see in the video, I cut off the ends of the chicken wings, mostly because I just like the buffalo effect, like, you know, having my wings look like buffalo wings. Also because to be honest, it just makes the wings look like they're more, like you have more wings than when you use the full wing. So it's perfect for when you have visitors, because you can like you can finesse it into really looking like you dished up a lot of food, when in reality you didn't. My apologies, Dollies. I did not realize that it was in portrait format, but later on it's going to turn into landscape. So after chopping up the wings, as you can see, it really does look like it's a lot. I mean, you can host a family of 24 with those wings. So now we're going to put in our spices. You can put as much as you want depending on how hot you want the food to be. So you can put as much peri, crushed chilies, cayenne pepper as you see fit. Sorry guys, if you cannot see the spices properly, everything will be written in the description box below. So after spicing up your wings, you're going to fetch a knife and we're going to stab. Make sure you lock in the juices. Make sure that the spices go all the way to the bone and they sit inside the meat, you know, not on top. You don't want just the skin having the flavor, but you want the flavor to seep in. So usually I just stab, either using a fork or a knife. So yeah, after we're done with that, we're going to let them marinate for like 30 to 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, we're going to take the wings, put them on our tray. I usually put foil because I don't want to be cleaning up the pan all the time, you know. But yeah, just put them on the foil, take your brush and just like spread. Make sure that the wings are full with flavor. Okay, so when I put my wings in the oven, I usually start and put them on bake, and then only later on do I put them on grill, mostly just because I want them to retain the juices. I usually realize that grilling just like dries out the food most of the time. So after turning the wings, you can go back with your brush and dip into the marinade just to make sure that the wings still retain the flavor and that they're still juicy. Really depends on how you want your wings to be. So yeah, after that, then we're going to go back to our oven and change the settings from bake to grill for the last 10 minutes. And that is the final product, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.